So today we are going to paint the last 3 houses. Well, we have the church as well, but that's not a house like that. But this time we are doing like always, we are painting the inside black and let that dry. Then I am going to use my white Vallejo model color paint, acrylic paint, and I am painting the whole outside of the house white. And I actually give these houses around 2 or 3 layers before it is white enough to look really, really good. I want these houses to have the red roof, so I am of course painting the roof red, and I'm doing the same thing on all 3 of the houses. And I also painted the top of the chimney and the front door on each of the houses. I hope you're still not tired of all this painting, but there is a lot of painting in this little build set, and I kind of enjoy painting these small things. It kind of stresses me off, so it's really, really neat. Whoops. I'm using the black paint underneath the roof, just like I did on all the other houses, because I think it's kind of rounding off the ceiling on the houses. Remember to do this on all 3 of them. I decided to go with the gray around the windows, and of course I hit the record button, and then I sadly hit it one more time, so I didn't record that part, so I'm sorry about that. But I did paint all the window frames, the door frame with the gray, and I also painted the doorknob with the black. And now I'm just using my Tamaria snow effect. This snow effect, I mixed in some glitter to make it a little more shiny when it's all done. And now I'm just scooping it out of the box and placing it on the roof of these small houses where I think it needs to go according to where it would kind of fall when it is snowing, and just here and there because, well, that's me. Anyway, I don't want to put snow on the whole roof because I still want to be able to see the color of the roof. But you can of course do it just like you feel like. I did let that all dry, and here are the 3 houses all done. And now it is time to place them into the little scenery. Well, I'm just placing one this time because we are missing one house on this platform here. So I am going to put my super glue on there and place this house. The other 2 I am saving for the other platforms. So this platform is almost all done now, so I am going to take this fake greenery, as I don't want to use the greenery that came with the kit, and I am using my hot glue to put some beads of hot glue all around in this little I don't know what to call this place, but there's kind of a little shelf to place the greenery on, so I'm just gluing that in place. And I'm doing this all the way around the platform. And when you come to the end, you just cut off the excess of the wire here, and then glue that down just like you did all the way around. This way it will look really nice and neat when it is all done. Now the last thing is to take some of my fake snow, the Tamaria texture effect here, and I'm just fluffing that here around the house to make it look as the house is actually standing there and not on top of the snow, but the snow is on top of the house. Anyway, I'm just doing this all the way around the house, and that's it. For now we are done with this layer here, and next time we will go a layer up and do the next layer, and then we will see if we are going to put more figures on this layer later, but for now we are done with this layer. Anyway, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this little video as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Happy crafting.